हेलो बच्चों, वेलकम बैक टू आवर क्लास विद न्यू चैप्टर आत्मश्रद्धायाः प्रभावः, चैप्टर 3, क्लास 8. Dear student, this is a story of a child who teaches about self-confidence and symbol of reverence. Here we start our chapter. एकः बालकः आसीत्. Once there was a baby. तस्य नाम एकलव्यः आसीत्. His name was एकलव्यः. सः धनुर्विद्यां पठितुम् इच्छति स्म. He wanted to learn archery. एकदा one day सः द्रोणाचार्यस्य समीपम् अगच्छत्, अवदत् च. Dear student, here agachat, avadat are the form of past tense. So one day he went. Agachat, if it is present tense, that here gachati, but here agachat. So went, he went to Dronacharya avadat cha and said, Gurudev, aham api dhanurdhar bhavitum ichchami. हे गुरुदेव, I want to be a archer. कृपया मां स्वीकरो. Please accept me. आचार्य प्रत्यवदतः. प्रत्यवदतः प्रति plus अवदत्. It means the teacher replied, अहं कौरवान् पांडवान् च पाठयामि. I teach Kauravas and Pandavas. अहं भवतः शिष्यरूपेण स्वीकारं कर्तुं न शक्नोमि. So I cannot accept you as a disciple because I am teaching Kauravas and Pandavas. परन्तु आचार्यं प्रति तस्य श्रद्धा शिथिला न अभवत्. But his reverence for the teacher did not diminish. But his reverence for the teacher did not diminish. सः आचार्यस्य द्रोणस्य एकां मूर्तिम् अरचयत्. After that, Dronacharya not accepting him, he come back to his place and सः आचार्यस्य द्रोणस्य एकां मूर्तिम् अरचयत्. He idolized Dronacharya. सः प्रतिदिनं मूर्तिम् अनमत्. He started going to the idol every day. प्रातः कालात् सायंकालात् पर्यन्तं. प्रातः कालात् it means morning time. सायंकाल पर्यन्तं it means evening time. धनुर्विद्यायाम् अभ्यासम् अकरोत्. Again past tense. He started going to the idol every day. शनै 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 means slowly. सः कुशल धनुर्धर अभवत्. He became a good archer. He became a good, a skilled archer. एकदा, after so many time, एकदा तस्मिन् वने गुरुद्रोण पाण्डवै कौरवै च सह अगच्छत्. One day, Gurudron along with the Kauravas and Pandavas come to that forest. Saha it means together, along with. Ekdah one day. Ekah kukurah tan drushtva abhasat. We can see here one dog is barking. A dog barked at seeing them. Arjun dhanusyam utthapayati smaha. Now here we can see utthapayati is present form, but here we add smaha. So smaha represent past tense. So again this sentence become past tense sentence. Arjun raised the bow. Tadaiv. Tadaha plus ev. Tadaiv eklavya बाणैः तस्य कुक्कुरस्य मुखम् आसेव्यत्. Now here Eklavya is not present here, but he heard about dog barking. So what he did? Then Eklavya stitched the dog's mouth with the arrows. द्रोणाचार्य एतत् दृष्ट्वा तत्र आगच्छत् तं च अपृच्छत्. Dronacharya comes there and seeing this and asked कः तव आचार्यः, who is your teacher? तदा स द्रोणाचार्यं तां मूर्तिम् अदर्शयत्. Then he showed the idol of Dronacharya. Eklavya गुरुः श्रद्धायाः स्वश्रद्धायाः च प्रतीक अस्ति. Dear student, here Eklavya is the best student because he sacrificed many things just because he is a what we can say, he sacrificed because his teacher not accepting him, but he showed the idol of Dronacharya. Eklavya, he is a symbol of reverence and the confidence toward the Guru. Eklavya asman sikshayati. Eklavya teaches us Swayam Jyoti Swayam Pragnah Bhavatu. Here everyone should learn from Eklavya, that is Swayam Jyoti Swayam Pragnah Bhavatu. Be yourself, your own light and your own wisdom. Swayam Jyoti, it means own light. Swayam Pragnah, your own wisdom. यदि अस्मासु आत्मश्रद्धा अस्ति तर्हि को अपि सिद्धि दुर्लभः नास्ति. If anyone who will be confident, यदि अस्मासु आत्मश्रद्धया अस्ति, if who will be confident, so को अपि सिद्धि दुर्लभा नास्ति. So it is not difficult to get any kind of success, any kind of aim, any kind of goal. If you trust yourself, if you have confidence, you achieve your goals. At last anantaram atmashraddhayaः balen सः श्रेष्ठ धनुर्धर अभवत्. And we all know that in the end he became the best archer with the power of confidence. Thank you.